So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use cheats on GTA San Andreas. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to GTA. So as you can see, I'm currently loading up into San Andreas right here. And what you want to do is you first of all want to make sure that this is on the latest update. Now, if it's not on the latest update, the chances are that this won't actually work. So if it's on the latest update and we are loading into our account, as you can see, it will take a couple of seconds, and then you simply want to click on start or load into a new game. And then once we have loaded into our game, as you can see, I'm currently in a mission, or you can be on free roam, whichever you are in. The first thing we need to do is click on our map in the top left hand corner to bring up this menu. Now once we bring up this menu, you want to go to the bottom, click on options, and then go over and select accessibility. Now once we do this, as you will notice now, there is an option to enter cheat code. That will then bring up this pop-up box right here, and then what you simply need to do is enter in your cheat into this box, and then once you enter in your cheat, that cheat will then be activated in your game. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use cheats inside GTA San Andreas.